Good day everyone. Last week I posted several videos of the durian fruit that we buy from local fruit stand in our neighboring town of Carigara, which is the Golden Puyat variety, and as I mentioned in those videos, the fruit is like a 22 karat gold. Today guys, we are here in our own durian farm to cultivate, prune, and train its branches. Why do we have to prune and train the branches of our durian? The reason guys is to remove the weak branches to allow airflow and for the sunlight to penetrate the inner part of the tree. And also to ensure the nutrients are not wasted and goes directly to the remaining strong branches that we maintain. Also, we trim the branches to horizontally because the durian tree bears fruit at its branches. Ideally, we will maintain only 20 to 25 branches per tree. That's all for now guys. In our next video, we'll show the fertilization and spraying of insecticides. If this helped, please like, share, and click the follow button below. Thank you and happy watching.